Hello, welcome to our screencast. Our interactive sustainability dashboard incorporates multiple forms of sustainability with a main focus on Sustainable Development Goals 6 and 12. These are clean water and sanitation and responsible consumption and production, looking at how these are being achieved across Exeter campuses. In the following, we are going to demonstrate these features of this easy to navigate user-friendly interface we've created. Firstly, the user will be met with a full extent of the map showing both Streatham and St Neots campus. Here they can zoom into the chosen campus to which more features become available. On the far left of the screen you can see we've incorporated a slide bar for more additional information tilted "What is this?" This to provide the user with a small paragraph explaining what the interactive map is. As seen in the legend, we have focused on four main areas: water fountains, showers, sustainable shopping, recycling. In order to keep our interface user-friendly, we avoided the use of overbearing widgets and distracting matrices. Moreover, we investigated additional map features, i.e. colour coordination. As seen on our base map and legend, sections of the campus have been marked with a colour-blind friendly colour scheme, with a combination in pink, academic buildings in purple, car parking in grey, and sports facilities in green. This has been done to help users identify key landmarks when using our dashboard whilst on campus. These have also been labelled for additional convenience. Moving on, we will now discuss our chosen feature classes and why we picked. Starting with showers. We are currently experiencing a high cost of living crisis. This could have potential to lead to increasing stress for students who may be struggling with their current finances. Exeter University has invested over £3 million to support students during this crisis by allowing access to university facilities students who are unable to access at home are able to do so in a safe environment. For students wishing to access these facilities and not knowing where they are, they can simply come to our dashboard and click a shower symbol. In doing this, the user will be met with a pop-up providing users with information on how many showers in that specific location and whether or not there are showers available to use. This can be updated via the dashboard at any given time as students use and leave showers, avoiding unnecessary wait times or queues. As shower facilities are available, Exeter University has increased efforts in sustainable and responsible consumption. Guiding consumption, we've added multiple locations in which students can make purchases. By clicking on this plant icon, a pop-up appears showing the name of buildings which have stores available to buy products. These pop-ups are also presented with an attached image of the storefront, so it's easily identifiable. In the pop-up, students are also able to see if that specific shop offers sustainable alternatives to regularly used products. In doing so, students are encouraged to purchase sustainably, such as purchasing reusable bottles. Which brings us to the next feature, water fountains. Water fountains are a key fixture for responsible consumption. The sewer water fountains on campuses reduce plastic bottle consumption by 35%. However, it can be frustrating travelling to a water fountain and it being broken, leading to the purchasing of more single-use plastic bottles. In order to tackle this issue, the pop-up includes information about whether or not the water fountain is working. Lastly, tackling issues of waste, such as single-use plastic bottles, we've added a recycling bin icon. When clicked, these icons show the building location and whether or not there are bins along with the number of bins in that particular building. We believe we pay particularly close attention to our layer sharing options during this project to ensure that the public sharing story map can be accessed by everyone. It's also important to also be critical and look at ways we could improve our interactive map. A way in which we can improve our dashboard is by creating a more dynamic dashboard with widgets showing the data from the pop-ups. This will allow for more appealing interaction along with a sleek and aesthetic map. Due to the design of our map, it became incompatible with the web app builder, which focuses more on the dynamics of the app. This problem could be addressed in time. Another improvement would have to be in the individual polygons for major buildings, allowing us to include more information on buildings themselves. Now moving on to our story map. We believe sustainability is at the heart of a university's agenda, recognising social and environmental responsibility. For example, in 2019, catering retail units hit 77% of their reduce, and recycle program criteria. However, there is still more good work to be done. We hope to build on both the clean, navigable design of left-hand existing static campus map and sustainable emphasis on the right-hand current interactive map. In doing so, we hope to aid the university's drive for sustainability. The United Nations Sustainability Development Goals can serve as an example of the framework to help guide these future efforts. The opportunity to design a new map comes with the opportunity to incorporate some of these goals. An example, we're incorporating two of these goals, Goal 6 and Goal 12. One important map feature we noticed missing from the existing Exeter campus maps was the location of water fountains. An example of a change we could make to assist progress towards both the above goals, and provides a source of free, easy access safe water on campus and encouragement of the refilling of reusable water bottles, supporting SDG 12, reduce of plastic consumption, as well as this. We have included the location of showers on campus for the concern of the rising cost of living. This is an example of helping people achieve clean sanitation and hygiene, as expressed in SDG 6.2. Our map includes updates on whether the showers are available and how many spaces they can hold. Both recycling bins and shop locations were also included to support the aims of reduce, reuse and recycle. In terms of the latter, students can easily navigate to shops that are supplying reusable bottles and then to water fountains around campus. We want to avoid unnecessary clutter and create a clean, easy-to-use map which highlights the aforementioned features in relation to our chosen SDGs. Our new map design allows users to easily locate key sustainable features on both campuses. One key feature we implemented was building upon the current map's pre-existing distinction between residence and academic buildings to also include parking spaces and sports facilities. These 4 features are colour-coded according to the university's stated primary and secondary colour palettes, as are the footprints, steps, and their backgrounds. Campuses themselves are given a drop shadow effect to let them stand out against a wider city, although we thought it was important to still include the surrounding roads and buildings. This both aids navigation between campuses and from campus into other locations in Exeter. We customised the existing OS base map to remove unnecessary labels and symbols. We also adjusted the colour scheme to fit better with the university's colour palette, as well as provide better figure ground organisation. This dashboard focuses on a few specific map features in relation to the 2 SDGs. This, of course, could be built upon to create more map features. If our map were to be incorporated into a web app, there would be greater capacity for more interactivity, although we appreciated the sleek aesthetic achieved through our dashboard for this project.